There we go. There we go. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. How you doing? Let me tell you guys something, though. You can't fool me, Moon Tower. That's not a Moon Tower. That's a tofu. This is a tofu. Chat, this is a tofu. But how are you guys doing today? What are you guys up to? My stream is lagging? No, it's just me. It's literally just me, dude. If it's really bad, we'll postpone again, but I don't know what to do at this point, chat. Okay, let's quickly grab everything. Glad your internet is somewhat working today. It's like somewhat here. It's not 100% here, but it's somewhat here. All right, so this is the Tiger 80. It has a pretty cool back piece. I wish this was a different material though. You guys know what I mean? Like, it's a little tough to see. It's a little tough. This is like, I guess this is like a gray. Or maybe it's a lilac. It's kind of hard to tell. I just think they're throttling the connection. Straight up. That's honestly what I think is actually happening, chat. But we're gonna hot swap it. So I literally already laid the sockets while I was sitting here doing nothing before I just did this. So we're just gonna solder it in quick. Being Canadian, are you aware of the Headless Valley? Huh? What's the Headless Valley? What's that? That sounds scary, dude. Sounds like an Elden Ring location. Kinda. You have art teacher vibes? Has anyone said that? I think being a teacher would be pretty neat. One man's poop is another man's treasure. It's kind of true. Hi, Sandy. I feel like Alex would own some kids in a marketplace. Huh? Of ideas if they popped up? Own some kids in the marketplace of ideas? What do you mean by that? Like, do better than them? Do you mean like... I guess I'm confused by that sentence, Sandy. I'm sorry. My teacher at high school was a gay ex-Marine with a bulldog who always played Metallica in class. Good dude. That sounds really fucking awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. This is the lilac. It's very, very light. Yeah, this is the aluminum one. It's a very light lilac. My only thing I would say is I feel like this could have been done in a way where it's more visible. It's kind of hard to see right now. I think it's very different from the photo or render online. This is a lot lighter. It's still very subtle and very pretty. I have no quarrels with this color. I just don't quite think it's exactly the lilac that's on theirs. Oh, Harbor Lilac Gray. It's nice, but I do think this is more of a very light lilac, and the pictures online made it seem a bit deeper. They sometimes name their colors a little off. It's okay. All right, let's install our stabilizers. So these are featuring Gateron. These are Gateron hot swap sockets. I don't know how exactly they differ, and if it's going to be some sort of weird performance difference. I highly doubt it. Maybe they have more uses to them before they, like, more rated uses, so we'll see. 2 streams in one night, I'm nutting. It's the same stream. My internet died before Angel. Woo. These are interesting. How do these work? Do these get put like this? Whoa, chat. This is a gasket shoe. It's not like a sock. It has width to it. Bro. This is a shoe. It's a slip-on? No, the other ones look like slippers. These are a shoe. This is definitely a shoe, chat. I wonder how this is going to affect it because it's very small, right? It's kind of like what we saw on the QK, but this is thicker silicone. High heels? Yeah, so this is a little bit thicker than that we saw on the QK65, if that's where it's drawing inspiration for like these little tabs. These also are going to, hey, chat, that these are also going to act as aligners because of these little pockets over here, if you guys can see these. So, pretty nice. Dude, I saw someone, I actually saw someone knitting on the subway. And you know what my first thought was? Because I see people who knit on Twitch. I'm like, I wonder if this person's a Twitch streamer. I don't know why that was my first thought. It's really cool. I want to learn how to knit. That really seems interesting. I'm gonna try and see a build for Alex's keyboardacy. Huh? Lulz, a starter crochet stream. Dude, it legitimately looks really fun. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I would be very interested in trying one day. I actually think like starting to learn how to do those things is probably really calming. It's kind of like lubing a switch, except not as boring as lubing a switch because you actually make something fun out of it instead of just getting lube switches, you know what I mean? This is not a usual stream hour, but I would say that like usually during our normal stream hours, this stream is typically for commissions and prototype reviews or like early looks at stuff. I would also say that I am, as you guys see, looking more into doing other streams where it's just like not chores per se, but like background noise streams. Like I'm the background noise and I'm just talking about random shit. So I guess just chatting stuff, kinda. Oh, I think I owed NNP a spin. But that's pretty much what I think it's turning into. Alex toes when? I leaked my toes one time for you guys, and you guys will never get that again. That was a one-time thing, chat. Literally a one-time thing. But I don't know if we'll ever do that again, though, chat. Only once has that happened. And I missed it, unfortunately. Let's put this in our case. Okay, we'll not try polyfill first, because it doesn't come with polyfill. So to be fair, this is only for fairness. We're going to try without the polyfill. And it also looks like when we put in the mid-plate foam, it looks like this is also acting as some sort of bumper over here, which I don't really understand the need for. Maybe that's to also lock down. That could also be a sound thing, although you're not getting that on the space bar. But we'll give that a go and see what this sounds like. All right, so this gets laid on here. All right, so that's aligned now. Okay, and we put the top on. Okay. Oh, do you guys want to try some 21? I know you guys said you want to see Spark, but would you guys want to see some 21 KB keycaps? Hey Alex, should I film black inks or nah? IMO, you don't need to. I don't know if anyone else in chat has any sort of opinion on this. I don't think you need to film inks. I feel like filming inks is kind of a waste of a film. It doesn't really make that big of a difference. Oh yeah, this was sent to me by Mr. G Cable, by the way, chat. If you guys are curious. All right, this is Korean blue. So if you guys want to, G Custom Cables. Shout out to them, dude. They sent these over for me to take a look at. They also sent a sick cable I need to like fully unbox later. Japanese red or Thai green? I think Korean blue would probably be the coolest one today. Let's do Korean blue. Here's a spin. It's a light purple, yeah. I think they classified it as light purple, but it's very light purple. Oh! I don't know if you guys can see this. This is... I'm so happy it's straight, dude. I'm so happy. Hold on. What's going on with this? Why isn't these clipping in nice? There we go. Ooh. Ooh. These are 21 KB. So if you guys were wondering, I got these from G Cables, technically. But this is 21 KB, chat. If you guys are curious about which keycap set this is. What? All right, let's see what this sounds like. Okay, this doesn't sound like like PE as well, by the way. This doesn't sound PE foamy. Like it doesn't, I don't know why. It doesn't have that foam signature to me. It just sounds like a bit deeper. You know what I mean? Interesting. Without the plate foam? I kind of like it. I think this is enough bounce and flex for me. But yeah, I feel like if you didn't put the plate foam, dude, this would be like insanely bouncy. Insanely. This is actually a really nice sound signature. So we'll just do some alphas again. The ones that came with the board, I think they're... I don't actually know what KBD Fans has for their stock stabs. I actually don't know where they're from. I think they make themselves. Cherry screw-ins? No, they weren't cherry screw-ins. Spacebar's okay. No, I didn't tape mod. I don't think we need to. Dude, I would not want to tape mod this at all. I do... I hate to say it. I would love to see this with an aluminum plate. I feel like this would be perfect with aluminum. Dude, this is really nice. If you guys want to take a look at the board too, it's on KBD Fans' website, their group buy. You can do the tape mod, yeah. Like, I don't think we need it at all. To be completely fair with you guys, like, I don't know, Pancake, would you recommend the tape mod? Or would you just say that's like an alternative put in the box? I don't remember where I put it. I don't think we need it because it's just, like, I'm kind of really in love with this, like, deeper sound. You know what I mean? But this was only plate foam. Yeah, we didn't add anything else. What do we think, though, guys? Is this good value? Is this good value? Convinced my friend to buy this board so I can build it for him as my first custom. Super excited to see. Super excited now. I might have to buy one too. I would say go for it, dude. Like I said, the only thing I don't love about this, and what's weird is they did it actually deeper, or I guess the engraving or whatever this is, like the embossing is thicker here, but it's not thicker here. And I think that, like, I would have at least liked to see this colored in or something, or this whole thing be this level. So it's a little easier to see. I think that's my only gripe really about the design of this keyboard. That's it. I think that's literally all. I don't know why the CNC turned out like that. Yeah, I don't know either. Other than that, pretty nice centered USB, which is ideal, I guess, to a lot of people. Nice little subtle curve on the bottom here. It's still a wedge, or like a box on wedge type mount over, or vibe over here. And it has a pretty unique mounting system. It is gaskets, but the gaskets are more vertically taller. And it does have like a mid foam that kind of seals the case a little bit better instead of just having gaps in the case. Very flexy to type on too. You can even see the flex on this side too, chat, because of these. So pretty soft. Side profile's lit. Yeah. All right, everybody. Ooh, this is creamy to type on, dude. I don't think I've ever said that word, but this feels creamy, chat.
Hey, yo.
I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.